Today we're checking out the Cybertruck from Hot Wheels, and something funny about these is when they were initially released, people were ordering these or pre-ordering them for $120 on eBay. I picked this one up for like 18 bucks. So we're gonna unbox this thing and check it out. Those first pre-order releases of these, they had a black controller that they came out with. There's the truck. I guess this is a solar panel, not the RC one, but on the real truck, I think it's a solar panel that they got on there. Lock and load. All right, now we got the Tesla Cybertruck plugged in and charging, and while it does that, we're gonna go set up the jump.
Franz, could you try to break this glass, please? Yeah. Sure? Yeah. Oh. Well, maybe that was a little too hard.
Got bad news, guys. I set this thing up, put in fresh batteries, everything I needed to, even went through that map of instructions that it came with to try to get this thing to work, and it just would not work. So just like the Cybertruck failure of the real vehicle, this one failed to work for me. So I guess that's why it was only 18 bucks.